Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are still working on decluttering and organizing our home. As you see, I'm in the kitchen. So today we are going to tackle my spice drawer. I use a lot of different spices when I cook, and I have a drawer that I keep them all. And so today we're going to clean it out because it's probably been about 6 months since I cleaned it out, and I need to reorganize things because the system we have, it was working at first, but now it's not working because it seems like the containers we're using is hard to open, hard to close. So let me show you our spice drawer. So over here, this is my stove, and this is the drawer we keep it in. So this is the drawer. As you can see, it looks organized. It's not bad. But these containers, we almost use all of them. That's how many spices I have. But these containers are now becoming, as you can tell, it's kind of, so it's hard to close, and it's so, well, it's not hard to open because that one's almost open, but I don't know, it's times they're getting warped, but it won't close all the way, see? So we decided to try a different system and use different bottles, different containers. I'm not going to have this many spice because as time goes by, you know, our taste buds change, flavors change, and we decided there's some spices that we have in here but we don't use all the time. So we're going to clean it out first, and then we're going to reorganize everything and see how that goes. So the one thing I want to say, the one thing about decluttering, sometimes a system will work for you guys, and then after time, you know, it may not work anymore, and that's quite alright. You don't have to stick with the same organization tool that you have. Sometimes it just changes, so I think that's what's going on with us. So I got some new containers I think will work better, and we are going to condense it because, again, like I said, we don't use a lot of those spices. So let's jump on in. Let's first start cleaning out. Okay, so I thought it'd be easier for me just to pull the drawer out. So what I'm going to do is just go through everything and see what I want and what I don't want. And my trash can open here. So there's a tip I learned that like the way you can tell if a spice is no longer good is if it doesn't, you can't really smell it. So like this is ginger. See what? This is why we're getting new containers. I literally cannot open it. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's kind of weak, so I'm going to dump this out. But I'm just going to clean out everything and vacuum, and then we'll get started again. Okay, so we cleaned out the drawer, and let me show you what it looks like. So this is all my containers. As you can see, some of the spices I did dump because they weren't very strong and fragrant, so they probably went bad. And so what I'm going to do is wash these all out, take off all these labels because I used my label maker. I guess you can't really see it. There you go, see? I used clear tape. Label tape, and so I'm gonna get rid of these. Now these are still good because these are ones I use almost probably every day, and so I'm gonna transfer those. But first I gotta clean out this drawer. I just sprayed it and let the solution soak a little so it can be easier to clean up, and then I'll wash all these. But I will show you shortly the new containers that we have. But let me show you something real quick. So in my pantry, as you can see, I redid my pantry. I'll link that video down below if you'd like to see how I reorganize it. Then here's where I keep my overflow of spices. I get all my spices, majority from Dekalb Farmers Market in Atlanta, Georgia. Mind you, I live in Boston, Massachusetts, but I always stockpile when I go there, and I just buy them because I think it's just so much fresher and cheaper. You can get any type of spice around the world. And when I travel, as you can see, like this one, I duct tape everything, like that one back there. I duct tape the lid so I can put it in my suitcase. But yeah, I love going to the Dekalb Farmers Market. I actually did a video on that, and I will link that video down below as well. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna pull these out, and this is where I get my spices. I used to buy all kinds of spice just to try different ones, but now I just get what I need and what I like, and I may try one or two. I don't go crazy like I used to. So let me get the jars and show you the new way I'm going to be organizing. Okay, so I had the old spice containers soaking. I don't plan on giving those away. I still like them. So what I usually do when I have containers I like, I'll keep them for a couple of months, and if I don't use them, then I give them away. That's why I'm able to shop my house, because I keep, I change things out, I save it. So the new jars I got ordered off Amazon. I did a lot of research because I measured my drawers. I measured how high I wanted the jars to be, because there was two sets of jars I was debating about, and so I decided on this other kind. So, but first, let me say that I cleaned the drawer. It was nasty. But even though it was clean, it still looked nasty. So what I did was, I lined it. I don't know if you can see the liner. There we go. I lined the drawer. It's the same liner I used for underneath my kitchen sink, which I'll link the video for that. And the shelves in my hall closet, which I have a video for that. So I'll link both of those down below. So let me show you the new jars. It comes in this box. It's from the Ultimate Hostess, and it's 14 spice jars. And what made me decide on these is that I didn't want a lot this time, and so I ended up buying these jars. And they're screw off top. It's not pull off top, so it shouldn't be a problem to get off. What I like about these is that you have the option to, it comes with the shaker to you can put on the jars. Let me show you. Put this down. So let's see, can you see it? It comes like that, so you can have the option to use it as a shaker, or you can flip this part up like that, and you can have it as a pour. So that's what made me get that one. And it also comes, not with one, but two sets of labels. So the round ones is if they're standing up, you can put them on top. If they're laying down, you can put them on the jar, the glass itself. So that was really good. These are chalkboard labels. Oh, it does come with a pen, but I'll probably use my own chalk pen. So it also comes with a kitchen conversion chart. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, so it's a magnet, so you can put it on the fridge or the stove or whatever. So that's what I got. And I just realized that this is a Trader Joe's jar. It is literally the same size, so it kind of works out great. So when I buy these things, I have like 4 of these, I can just lay it on down and it'll be all good. So the way I transfer all my spices, let me shift the camera around so you can see it. Okay, so I'm just going to do 1 or 2 jars so you can see how I do it, because I don't want you to have to watch me do all of them. So what I usually do is I usually have a pan and a funnel. Because these are, let's see if I can open this one up. There we go. Because these are wider open mouths, I was able to just, like they come like this, I was able just to pour it in. But since these are narrow, I need to use my funnel. So the first one I'm going to do, what I do is I just want easy cleanup. So I use this pan, have a funnel, and then since this is oregano, do I have oregano out here? That's herbes de Provence. Okay, we'll do cumin. So this is the cumin. This may sound silly, but I'm going to pour some of this in first, because this is older than this one. I know that sounds just anal, but that's just the way I am. So I do it like this, so the pan catches overflow, and pretty much, just doing it like this. These are 4-ounce jars, I believe. I think they're 4 ounces. I have to check. I believe these are 4-ounce jars, and these I had were 3-ounce jars. So I pretty much do it like this. Just keep going until all the spices in there. And then I start pouring in the old. And just pretty much eyeball it, you know? And keep going. Cumin's kind of it's a smoky spice, in case you don't know that, and it's great for Mexican food or Indian food, West Indian food, like I am. Wow, that ain't God, that was like perfect. Look at that, perfect. And there's the jar. So what I do now is that I'm gonna put the plastic top on, like that. Put that on. And I think I'm just going to use these labels because I plan on laying these down. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you the rest of these once I'm done filling them all up, and we will see how it fits in the drawer. Okay guys, so I am done. I love the way it looks. I always say it and I'll say it again. As long as you like it, that's all that matters. And to me, everything's Pinterest worthy. So, but I love the way it looks. I like the fact that I don't have as many containers anymore. I just have in there 14, 15, 17 jars in there. It's great that it fits perfectly with my Trader Joe jars too. So, but what I forgot to, when I was going through each jar filling up, I found one jar of a pink thing, and I was like, what is that? Pulled it out. It's a funnel, a big wide one too. I mean, it made the job go by a lot faster. So you don't have to get a funnel, it comes with one. Also, I realized it came with pre-made labels. So if you don't have pretty handwriting, you can use these, but it doesn't come with pre-made for this, for the ones on the outside jars, just the tops. But I didn't use it, so, and there's 20 different ones. I'm pretty sure you guys got some of them. And it comes with 20 blank ones of these and 20 blank ones of the round ones you can use on top. So you pretty much got everything you need if you order these jars. I'll link the link down below where I got on Amazon. Also, I forgot to mention how I redid this kitchen about, I think it's now a year ago. So if you'd like to see that video, I'll put an eye over here or link it down below. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. My name is Nadine. I'd love to have you as a new subscriber. So like everyone, just go ahead. I'll wait. Hit the subscribe button. Hit my face. Hit the subscribe button. It's right down below. It's that little red button. Also put on your notification bell. Click on that so you know I put up a video. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Guys, until we meet again, have a very blessed day.